Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys this Evervine bracelet. This was designed by Christy7284Christy on Instagram as well as her YouTube channel. I'll put the link of her accounts in my description box below in case you guys want to check them out. And yeah, this is the bracelet. And yeah, let's just get started. To make this bracelet, you will need a hook. We're going to be using this Loom double-ended hook, and then you will need a C-clip and some bands. For the color combinations, I'm going to be using a different one from this. Here I used the pickle green, dual layer pickle green for the background, and then pink lemonade in the center here, and then white as the connecting band. So let's just get started. First, you want to grab your background color. I'm going to be using this passion pink. Then you want to make a figure 8 to make a cap band on your hook. Then you want to grab 2 more bands of the same color, which is the background color. You're going to pull this 2 bands through the cap band and close. Like so. Then you want to grab another band. You want to pull this through the first 2 loops and then pick up the outer loop and close. Should have this on your hook now. Then you want to grab your center color. I'm going to be using this sweet baby blue fairy. And you want to pull this through the first 3 loops. You want to pick up the first and the 3rd loop like so. And you want to rearrange this 2nd loop to the left. So you will have this on your hook now. And now you're gonna want to fold this 2nd loop backwards, not towards the tip of your hook, but backwards, away from the tip of your hook. Want to fold this to the right if you're using your right hand, like so. Then you want to drop this loop that you fold by taking off these first 2 loops of the hook. Then just let that loop down there and attach your 2 loops back onto your hook like so. And then you want to grab your connecting band, which is premium white again for me, and you want to pull this through everything, and then you're going to just pick up the center loop here, or it's going to be the 3rd loop, and close. And now I'm going to take my background bands again. Then you want to pull this through everything, and want to pick up the first 2 loops like so. And before you close, you want to drop this white here over like so and close. And now you want to grab another band of your background color. You want to pull this through everything again and just pick up the previous background band, which is going to be the 1st and the 3rd loop, and close like so. And then we can switch side now. If you're using a double-handed hook, you can slide this down like so. And now we're back at the 4 loops again. Take another band of your background color, and then you want to pull this through the first 2 loops, and then you want to pick up the outer loop. Make sure that your bands stay in order, and then close like so. Then you want to grab another center color. Then you want to pull this through the first 3 loops, then pick up the first and the outer one and close. Then you want to do some rearranging here like so. Then You want to fold this center color away from the tip of your hook. Then you want to drop this loop like so, and then pick those loop back. And now after you drop the center color, you want to grab your connecting band. Then you want to pull this through everything and pick up the third loop, which is going to be the middle one, and close. Then you want to grab another background. You want to pull this through everything, pick up the first two loops, and then you want to drop this connecting loop like that and close. Okay, then I'm going to grab my background again. I want to pull this through everything and pick up the previous band, which is going to be the first and the third loop, like so. And now we can switch side again. And then grab another background color, and I want to pull this through the first two loops and pick up the outer loop and close. And now you can grab the center again. Then you want to pull this through the first three loops, pick up the first and the third loop, and then you want to rearrange, and you want to fold this as well to make this the third loop in. Then you want to drop this like so. Grab a white, pull this through everything, and pick up the center one, the middle one, and close. Grab a background color, pull this through everything, pick up the first two loops, then you want to drop this second loop and close. And that's how you do these Evervine bracelet. I'm going to show you guys one last time. So to restart the new section, you can grab another background color, then you want to pull this through everything, pick up the previous bands, which is going to be the first and the third loop. Then you want to slide this down so it will be like zigzag. Want to grab another band and pull it through the first two loops, then pick up the outer loop and close. And then grab a center color, want to pull this through the first three loops, pick up the first and the third loop, and then don't forget to rearrange here. You want to fold this away like so, and then you want to drop it just like that. And then grab your white, want to pull this through everything, pick up the middle one and close. Want to grab another background, want to pull this through everything, pick up the first two loops and drop this second loop over like so, and then close. Want to grab another background color and then continue to do the steps, but I'm going to close mine here. So to close it off, you just need to stop right here before you add another background color and make 4 loops. I'm gonna grab a band to close it. I'm gonna pull this through everything and just close, and you can attach your circlet. And after you attach your circlet, you can do a little bit of like fixing. So I like to take these two sections away from each other like so to make this more like zigzaggy. Yeah, this is the Evervine bracelet. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give it a like, comment and share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.